Shakas! Hello crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with day number 10. I'm sorry for the glare. I'm going to take the packaging off just a minute. But this is day number 10 of the 24 Days of Christmas Secret Santa Swap hosted by Scrappy Tate here on YouTube. I love this holographic bag that she's put this in. So let me take this tape off so I can possibly reuse it. Possibly. Let's see. Oh, she's got some cute things in here. Look! How cute! So this is like a file folder pocket. And she's included these cute little, this paper clip with a bow. And then this bow embellishment, and then this rosette that she's put this button on, and that button is those girls. Marianne from Marianne's Crafty Corner, she knows. I see her play with these dolls all the time. So that is so cute, Sandy. And then here's another pocket. She's added this paper clip with this bow, and then another bow embellishment, and then she has another rosette with that same, I think they're called polka doodles maybe, but yeah, so cute. So thank you so much, Sandy. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here, and until my next video, shakas.